Good morning, children. How are you? See, children, in our last session, we have discussed about the alphabetical order. What is the alphabetical order? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The order of the letters in a correct sequence is known as the alphabetical order. And if you listen the previous classes, you can learn how to write the given words in the alphabetical order. And we have discussed about the nouns topic. What is a noun? What is a singular noun? What is a plural noun? Countable, uncountable. And meanwhile, in between, we have discussed in our last two sessions about ye or yan. Now, children, today we are going to learn about masculine and feminine. This is a new word, masculine and feminine. And feminine. Masculine and feminine. See, children, masculine means male. Masculine means male. Feminine means female. Masculine means male and feminine means female. Feminine means female. Feminine, female. Okay, this is how you can know what is a masculine, what is a feminine. Suppose father, masculine. What is the feminine gender? Mother. What is the feminine gender? Mother. Okay. Brother. What is the brother feminine? Sister. Okay. So how will you define the masculine gender and the feminine gender, Nana? Masculine. All the male nouns are known as the masculine. All the male nouns are known as masculine, whereas all the female nouns are known as the feminine gender. Let us again see what is the definition of the masculine gender and the feminine gender. Masculine means the male nouns are known as masculine and the female nouns are known as feminine. Let us see a few of the masculine and feminine genders which you may don't know. Okay, let us learn a few new things here. Few masculines and feminines. Okay. Any males, whatever the male nouns are there, they all are known as the masculine genders, and whatever the female nouns are there, they all are known as the feminine gender. All the nouns, whether they may be the animals or they may be the bird. Now see, children, some masculines and feminines. If you see, masculine and feminine. Okay. Actor. Suppose this is actor. What is the feminine gender for actor, children? Actress. Actress. Okay. Next, children, boy. What is the feminine gender for boy? Girl. Next, brother. What is the feminine gender, Nana? Sister. Already we learned. Okay. Next, Nana, bull. Cow. Yeddu, cow. Next, dog. Male dog. Female dog is known as bitch. Okay. Next here, father. Mother. Okay. Next, children, fox. Vixen. Next, children, gentleman. What is the feminine for gentleman? Lady. Next, children, god. Goddess. Next, children, hero. Heroine. These are the few masculine and feminine genders, children. See once. Actor. What is the feminine for actor? Actress. Boy, girl, brother, sister, bull, cow, dog, bitch, father, mother, fox, vixen, gentleman, lady, god, goddess, hero, heroine. So these are the few masculines and few feminines. Already I have explained to you, children, what is the masculine gender. A male noun, a noun that is male is known as the masculine, and a noun which is female is known as the feminine. Let us see few more masculine and feminine genders. Okay, children. Then we will move to the exercises. If you understand now, then we will go for the exercise, how to write the masculine and how to write the feminine. Okay. Okay, what we have learned: a hero, heroine. Now horse, maid. Horse, maid. See, children, this is the masculine gender and this is the feminine gender. Okay. Horse, maid, husband, wife. Husband, wife. Next, children, king, queen. King, queen. Next, children, they have given us lion, lioness, lion, lioness, man, women, man, women, nephew, niece, nephew, niece, ox. Ox also we can give cow. Cow. Okay, children. Papa, mama. Okay, papa, mama. Prince, princess. Prince, princess. Sir, madam. Son, daughter. Son, daughter. Uncle, aunt. Okay, these are the few again more masculine and feminine gender. What we have learned, children, masculine means the male nouns are known as the masculine, whereas the female nouns are known as the feminine gender. So before what we have learned: actor, actress, boy, girl, brother, sister, bull, cow, cock, hen, dog, bitch, father, mother, fox, vixen, gentleman, lady, god, goddess, hero, heroine, horse, maid, husband, wife, king, queen, lion, lioness, man, woman, nephew, niece, uncle, aunt, ox, cow, papa, mama, prince, princess, sir, madam, son, daughter. So in this way we have learned the few examples of the masculine and feminine gender. Now coming to our exercises, children. Suppose if I'll write a few words on the board. We have to identify whether it is masculine or feminine. If it is masculine, we will mark it as M. If it is feminine, we will mark it as F. Okay. Let us see one exercise we will do. Then we will understand more better about the masculine and feminine gender. See, a few examples we will have. I'm writing few and I'm drawing a box in front of the word so that we can write M or F related to the masculine and feminine. Okay children, easily you can understand if you read the word. Okay. Now I have written few words on the board children. Now according to the masculine and feminine, we will mark it as M or F. Okay children, if you see the bull, bull is the male, so write M. Sister F, female F. Lion, male M. Hen, cock, hen, female hen. Tiger, male. Actor, male. Sir, male. Aunt, female. Okay, husband, male. Sir also male. Sir, we have repeated sir top word again, so I am rubbing it. So in this way children, we can easily mark male or female or masculine and feminine as M or F. So in this session, we have learnt about the masculine gender and the feminine gender. Masculine, a noun which indicates all the male nouns are known as the masculine, whereas all the female nouns are known as the feminine gender. Okay children, listen the class. It will be very interesting for you. Have a nice day all of you.